Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Lizzie here. If you're new, please do make sure to subscribe. Right, today I've got a day in my life vlog for you guys, and there's different activities, so I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. In the last clips, you saw baby girl wake up at 8 o'clock. So by 8:30, we make our way downstairs just to get ready for bath time and, get ready for the day. I lay her outfit out before going into bath time. So yeah, just to a little vavavoom for her. We got to make sure she's fitted right. And yeah, this is bath time. I use child's phone for everything. It works well for me and works well for my daughter. I do love, love, love this newbie bath time cradle. I cannot recommend it enough. So here's baby girl all dressed up. Isn't she beautiful? Here she's having her breakfast, baby porridge, and yeah, she actually loves this stuff. She does like putting her fingers in her mouth. It's a texture thing and exploring textures and stuff. So it's all good. Over here, we're now just heading out. We're just gonna go into town to run a few errands, and yeah, look at her looking all pretty. She's so cute. So guys, we're back home. I did pop into one of the African shops. I just got a few things, not too much. So I'm just going to show you the item. I got plantain. I just got two, and then I got this drink, like I said, and then I got ugu leaves, which is pumpkin. I got ugu, which is actually pumpkin leaves, and I also got Provera chicken. So yeah, that's all I got. And now I'm about to do a load. I'm just about to do a load of washing for Miss Brielle. So yeah, gonna do some washing since the weather's nice. Get that going. I ended up doing some cleaning as well around the kitchen. Here I was just mopping up and everything. We decided to go to Sherwood Forest, and here we are. We just got there at this point, and we're just walking into the park actually. So yeah, we're just gonna go around. We did the 4 to 5 minute trail, so it's not long. I mean, there's some for like 1 hour 15 minutes. There's some for 2 hours and 15 minutes, 2 hours 30 minutes. We went for the 5 minutes one. So yeah, it was fun. And towards the end, you actually see they had like a little amusement sort of park, mini amusement park near the car park where we parked. And you guys will actually see Brielle go on her first ride. It was the cutest thing. Here we were just in the queue for ice cream. I got chocolate sauce and he got strawberry sauce, and it was just then checking up on Brielle because she fell asleep. So yeah. Little amusement park, fun fair, whatever you want to call it. And here's little Brielle on her first ride. She was so unbothered, like she did not care at all. Like, look at her. She's just like, whatever. This was pretty much how we ended the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I shall see you next time. Bye.